This guide explains how to connect your Shopify store to FullStro. This allows you to manage your inventory, upload products, view orders, and more directly from the FullStro dashboard. After logging into your FullStro account, navigate to the Add-in Integrations section. From the sidebar menu, locate the Shopify add-on in the list and press the Connect button. After clicking Connect, you will be prompted to make a payment to subscribe to the Shopify add-on. Complete the payment process by providing your payment information to unlock the integration. Once the add-in is unlocked, you will be asked to enter the following credentials: shop name, your Shopify store's name; shop URL, the full URL of your Shopify store; access token, API key generated from your Shopify admin. To retrieve your access token from Shopify, follow these steps. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then navigate to Apps and Sales Channels from the menu. Go to Manage Apps and click Develop Apps. Click Create an App and give it a name like FullStro Integration. Then press the Create App button. Now navigate to the API Credentials section. Enable the necessary API fields to allow admin API access for FullStro, such as assign fulfillment orders, customers, discounts, discovery, draft orders, fulfillment services, inventory, locations, orders, products, and more as required. Click the Install App button. Once the app is installed, Shopify will generate an admin API access token. Copy this token and save it securely. Now return to your FullStro dashboard. Enter the following details: shop name, your Shopify store name; shop URL, your store's URL; access token, the admin API access token you generated in Shopify. Press Connect Shopify. Once the add-in is connected, you will see a success message. Your Shopify store is now integrated with FullStro. You can do such as sync products, manage and sync your product catalog, sync orders, track and process orders from Shopify, and many more. Thank you.